So it's winter and it's cold outside, and this little bird is hopping along the ground, hunting and pecking and looking for some food. And there's not much food because it's winter and everything's gone. While the little bird is hopping along the ground there hunting and pecking, a bear walks by and poops right on top of the little bird. The little bird struggles and pulls and soon realizes that he's stuck. And he's thinking to himself, man, this day was bad enough. I was hungry and I was cold, but now I'm stuck in a big pile of bear poop. After a while, though, the little bird realizes the poop is kind of warm and he starts to feel a little better. He starts singing a happy little warm bird song. Nearby, a cat hears the happy little warm bird song, and he looks around and he finds the little bird there in the poop, so he grabs him by the head and he pulls him up out of the poop and eats him. The moral of the story is, not everyone who poops on you is your enemy. Not everyone who pulls you out of the poop is your friend. And if you're happy where you are, keep your mouth shut.